How to clear browsing history on Opera Mini. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to clear your browsing history easily in less than 1 minute. So all what you have to do, go to Opera Mini. Now go down here and click on this little option, and click here. Now all what you have to do is scroll down until you find clear browsing data option. Click on it, and here you will find clear browsing history. Click on it and click OK. Now your browsing history will be cleared easily and fast. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe.